discuss expression and variable in this video. Expression defines a certain kind of computer action. Python carries out operation using expression. For instance, simple mathematical procedure like addition many integers. In this situation, the outcome is 110. The arithmetic symbol in the example addition are referred to as operators, and the integers are referred to as operand. The subtraction sign can be used to carry out the operation like subtraction. The outcome in this scenario is negative number of -10. The asterisk can be used to execute multiplication operation and the outcome is 100. In this case, operands are given by minus and asterisk symbol. We may divide using the forward slash as well. 25 divided by 5 is 5 and by 6 is 4.166. In Python 3, the version we will be utilizing in this course. When dividing integer with the rounded result, we can use the slash. Be mindful that sometimes the outcome differ from those simple division. While executing multiplication expression, Python adhere to multiplication conventions. The order of subsequent operation is varied. In both scenarios, Python multiplies and then add to produce the result. During the course, we will also cover more complicated operations. The parasynthesis and closed expression are executed first. The outcome is 500. When we increase by 20, let's now examine variable. Variable may be used to hold the values. In this example, we use the assign operators or equal sign to given variable x, a value of 10. The value may be used to elsewhere in the code by entering the variable precise name. To indicate the value of the variable, we shall use the colon. We given the value of 40, the variable value is now 40. The variable previous value is not crucial. Expression outcome can be stored. For instance, we can add the number of values and assign the result to the variable of x. Now x keeps the outcome. Also, we may alter x and then save the outcome in a brand new variable called y. Y is currently 7.8 is value. We may also assign the x and execute operations on it. The value of variable x has changed to 4.333 and so on. Like previously, the previous value of x is no longer necessary. The type command is also applicable to variable. It is best practice to give your variable name that are relevant so you won't have to remember what they are doing. Let's imagine we want to translate the minute into instance with asterisk to hours in the music dataset below. Total minute. The total minute is the name of the variable that hold the total number of minutes. It's customary to use an underscore or a capital letter to signify the beginning of a new word. The variable that hold the total number of hours is referred to as total hours. By dividing the total minute by 60, we may determine how many hours there are in total duration in around 2.833 hours. The value of the variable will change if we change the first variable values. The end result value adjusts properly while the remaining code remains same. For this video, we have learned expression and variable.